whistle, and it's at the parade, and my brother got it from the parade. Let me put water in it, the bird whistle. Ooh. I knew it takes forever. Okay. So I'm going to dump some water out of it real quick. So this is what it's also a whistle. So yeah, and this is, I'm gonna put water in it. It's loud. I'm gonna whistle one. So yeah, let me blow it. Does that sound like a bird? If we do on this little hole part, watch. I know. So I gotta get more water in there. So it's at the carnival and it's $2. So yeah.